Hi all, welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. Today we're gonna show you how to make a fruit crumble bar. Here we are showing for mango and jackfruit. This is a sweet dish which almost everyone will love. Here are the ingredients. Ingredients shown here are for one fruit crumble bar. This has to be baked in the oven at the temperature shown here and to be baked for 30 to 40 minutes. In detail, 10 to 15 jackfruits. Jackfruits is highly rich in potassium. It has to be chopped into pieces as shown here. Then 2 or 3 ripe mangoes chopped. Mangoes helps in digestion. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 to 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Actually, this all-purpose flour is just an option. Then 250 grams of marigold biscuit or digestive biscuits. Then 1 cup of fresh cream, half cup sugar, and it has to be divided into 2 portions. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 100 grams of unsalted butter. It should be softened. Make sure that you take the ingredients in room temperature. Now, into the chopped mango pieces, add cornstarch and all-purpose flour. Adding the all-purpose flour will make it more tastier. Then add 1/4 cup of sugar, and we can add more if we want, and combine this. These crumbly bars are filled with fresh mangoes, jackfruit or pineapple, whichever you want, and then baked to perfection. Keeping the mango mixture aside, do the same process with the jackfruit and pineapple and keep that aside. Next, crumble the biscuits like this. Into that add salt, vanilla essence, cream, butter, and the remaining portion of sugar. Then mix it either with a spoon or using your hands. Into that add little milk. Milk is also an optional one. It gives more tastier. That's why I added it. Into a greased pan. This pan is greased with ghee. Spread this biscuit mixture properly and press it evenly. Then on top of it spread the fruit mixture. Here I am showing you the mango mixture and also the jackfruit mixture. Pineapple I have not showed it here. Then press it evenly. Then on top of that spread the remaining portion of the crumbled biscuit mixture. Now bake this in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. In the same way, spread the biscuit and fruits mixture accordingly in the greased pan. Here I am showing you for the jackfruit. And bake it in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. I tell you, these crumble bars are really great because they are deceivingly easy to make, and we can make kids and also others to eat such fruits. A few simple tips and tricks will give you everything you need to bake your heart out and never look back. If you liked our recipe, please don't forget to click the like button and share it with your friends and relatives. See, our mango crumble bar is ready, and here goes the jackfruit crumble bar. They both look similar, but the tastes are really different. Each has got a unique taste. You can serve this as a snack or a dessert for some functions or when guests come at home, and it's very easy to make. Here I am showing you a piece of the pineapple crumble bar which I made. I tried 3 of them and found that the pineapple was the best. Please comment below and suggestions are always welcome. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.